This is how the New Year is celebrated in Thailand. Thai New Year, holiday called Songkran. It's on April 13, but it can be celebrated for several days, depending on the province. In Phuket, Songkran is celebrated for only 2 days, while in Pattaya or Chiang Mai it can last for a week or even longer. Endless madness of water battles. Why is everyone pouring water on each other? It symbolizes purification and brings happiness. Previously, they watered each other with hands and small buckets, but now with pneumatic water guns, this cute tradition has grown into complete chaos. Everyone should at least once get to Thailand on Songkran and experience this fun. In accordance with Thai traditions, I performed the ritual of pouring water on the Buddha statue, which should bring me good luck in the new year. I believe in it. It is believed that not only the body is cleansed with water, but also the mind. Preconceived and evil thoughts and intentions go away, leaving only peace and calm. On the roads, if you are on a motorbike, on the days of Songkran, you will definitely be doused with water, although the police seem to forbid this due to safety. Of course, it is dangerous, as Songkran's days are often full of traffic accidents. Wet roads are treacherous, especially for motorbike riders. Brakes may not help. Therefore, you need to drive slowly, keep your distance and slow down smoothly and in advance. As you can see, I took the risk of riding a bike around Patong, and then I'll go to the south of Phuket, to the Rawai area to pick up my friend Alec. Together we will return to Patong and walk along Bangla Road. The water that is poured can be either warm or ice cold. Of course, no one likes to be doused in ice water, but there is a certain extreme of this holiday in it, so refreshing.
So cold! Hello, how are you? ชุดน่ารักนะ Тепленькая, хорошо?
ม่ครับ สวัสดีพี่ใหม่ครับ สวยสวย How do you like this Thai madness? I really like this holiday, and every year I celebrate it and participate in water battles. Keep in mind this date, April 13. Plan your trip to Thailand a little earlier than this date, and you won't regret it. Plus, in Thailand, April is considered the driest and the hottest month of the year. Don't need to worry about rains. Write in the comments if you have already celebrated the Thai New Year, or are you just planning to. Don't forget to support the video with a like. Thank you very much for watching until the end. See you next time.